Hello, in this video I will explain how you can add a checkbox to your Excel workbook. This feature offers you an easy and visual way of indicating the answer to a simple yes/no question. Before we can insert the checkbox, we have to alter Excel's ribbon to include the Developer tab. To do so, you navigate to File, Options, and Customize Ribbon. Or you just move your arrow to the ribbon, right-click, and select Customize Ribbon. On the right side, you can check the box next to Developer to make this tab appear. So we check the box and press OK. As you can see, the Developer tab is part of the ribbon now, as we will need this to insert a checkbox. On our Excel sheet, you can see a list of all employees within a small company. A rule within the company states that all employees should receive 3 trainings within the first 6 months of their employment. We will use checkboxes where you can highlight which trainings a certain employee has had. We have prepared our table with all the company's employees, their start dates, and the 3 trainings they should receive. Now we will add checkboxes in each cell. To do so, you navigate to Developer. You click on the arrow at the Insert button. Here you can see 2 types of controls, Form controls and ActiveX controls. The latter are more flexible in design and can be used as objects in codes. In our example, the Form controls are sufficient. So let's click on a checkbox in the Form controls area. A plus sign appears on the screen, and now you can choose where you would like to insert a checkbox. We want to put it into the first cell, so we click there. Then you can drag the image to the desired place. Let's put the box in the middle of the cell. If you click somewhere on the sheet next to the box is fixed on that position. Now if you move back to the box, you see a hand appear which you can use to check or uncheck the box. If you want to select the box again to change anything, you can click on the box while pressing the Control button. As you can see, the box is selected again. Now you can alter its position or naming. In this case, we don't need a name for our box, so I'm going to delete the entire text. We again click next to the box, and you see that the checkbox in the first cell is created as we wanted. To make the same appear in the other cells, you select the cell and just drag it to the right. Then we again put the boxes in the middle of the cells and drag the cells down. Another nice feature we would like to highlight in this tutorial is the fact that you can connect cells to the box. To do this, you select the box, right-click and select Format Control. Here you see Cell Link at the bottom. To link the box to a cell, you just input a cell in the box next to Link Cell. Let's take F2 for the first cell. If you select the box, you see True appear. If you uncheck the box, you see False appear in the linked cell. Remark that if you select the box, you see equals F2. This is another way to link a cell. Let's do this for the second box. We select the box and type equals G2. Important to remember is that there is no automatic way to link a unique cell for each checkbox. You have to do this box by box. If you would like to have more flexibility, you can opt for the ActiveX controls instead. In the meantime, we have made all links. Now we will check which employees are in the firm for longer than 6 months and did not receive any of the trainings. At the right side, we computed the date 6 months ago. We did this using the eDate and today function. The eDate function starts with the date of today in our case, and adds a certain number of months. Here -6 months are added or 6 months are subtracted from today. Then we insert an if function to check if the employee's start date is below the date 6 months ago, and one of the trainings is set to false. If this is the case, we write not OK as output, otherwise we write OK. Finally, we hide the true-false cells as this only helps in our conclusion, and we will add some conditional formatting to highlight the not OK cells. We will make these cells red. To do that, we select the column, navigate to the Home tab, and press on the arrow next to Conditional Formatting. Under Highlight Cell Rules, we select Equal to and type Not OK in the box indicating that these cells should be highlighted. A light red fill with dark red text is automatically selected, so we only need to press OK and see the highlighting appear. Keep in mind that this technique is very cumbersome in case you have a company with, let's say, 50 employees or more. An alternative solution is to use the ActiveX controls and work with VBA. We show this in a different video on how to create many checkboxes using VBA. This concludes our tutorial on checkboxes. Be sure to subscribe if you want to watch more Excel or software-related tutorials. Questions or comments are always welcome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.